and welcome back to our channel Anshika Marketing to yet another video from differentiation. Yes, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं we are going to discuss 20 formula for differentiation. Yes, just 20 formulas which I will tell you very easily you can learn them, and if you have learned these 20 formulas then you are good to go for your differentiation portion, and this forms a very important part from your integral, that is from your calculus, and definitely you can never miss that. And if you like our video and if you want more such videos, informative videos related to class 12th, and we are also having an ongoing series for class 8th, then definitely you can like, share and subscribe to our channel Anshika Marketing. Okay, now let's begin with our video, and very soon we will be posting another video which will be including exercise 8.b that we were discussing in the previous video. Okay, तो अभी हम चलते हैं इस तरफ, दैट इज 20 फार्मूला जो हमको डिस्कस करने हैं रिलेटेड टू डिफरेंशिएशन. उसमें हमारा जो फर्स्ट फार्मूला होता है दैट इज जो हमको डेरिवेटिव निकालना है ऑफ अ कांस्टेंट. तो जो डेरिवेटिव होता है कांस्टेंट का विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स, वो क्या होता है हमेशा ही, दैट इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू 0. अंडा, so अंडा derivative of a constant is always equal to 0. So that is what I can write as my first formula, that is derivative of a constant. Let's write it as c. Constant के लिए c, that is always equal to how much, that is equal to अंडा. Then my second formula, derivative of x to the power n. ये जो हमने पिछली वीडियो में भी डिस्कस किया था. derivative of x to the power n is nx to the power n minus 1. nx to the power n minus 1. So derivative if I see of x to the power n, then that is equal to n x power n minus 1. Moving on to my third formula, which is the derivative of sin x. So derivative of sin x is always equal to what? Derivative of sin x is cos x. This is equal to cos x. Fourth, similar kind, जो डेरिवेटिव होता है हमारा cos x का, वो किसके बराबर होता है, sin x, लेकिन with a negative sign here. Okay, then I see derivative of tan x. This is equal to sec square x. So derivative of tan x, this is equal to how much, sec square x. Then my sixth formula of the similar kind, derivative of cot x. This is equal to cosec square x, but with a negative sign here. Okay, now coming on to my seventh formula, which is the derivative of sec x. So a derivative of sec x is equal to sec x tan x. Eighth, derivative of cosec x. This is equal to minus cosec x cot x. Ninth, I have my derivative of e to the power x. This is e to the power x. e to the power एक लौता ऐसा फंक्शन होता है जिसका डेरिवेटिव भी e to the power x होता है, जिसका डिफरेंशिएशन भी वापस से e to the power x होता है. तो आपकी लाइफ हो तो e to the power x जैसी, तो सिचुएशंस खराब आ जाए, सिचुएशंस बेकार आ जाए, सिचुएशंस अच्छी आ जाए, आप जैसे हैं वैसे ही रहते हैं. तो दैट इज हाउ योर लाइफ शुड बी, लाइक e to the power x. Then 10th formula, derivative of a to the power x. This is equal to a to the power x log a to the base e. Okay, then I see my 11th formula, that is derivative of sin inverse x. This is equal to 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. Then my derivative of cos inverse x. This is equal to minus 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. ये आप देख सकते हैं कि जो इनवर्स फॉर्मूले रहते हैं वहां पर साइन कॉज सिर्फ नेगेटिव के साइन का अंतर आता है. सिमिलरली जो हमारा tan एंड cot होता है वहां पर हमारे सिर्फ नेगेटिव साइन का अंतर आता है. and same goes for sec inverse and cosec inverse, where you have just a difference of a negative sign, rest the formula remains the same. So that is how you can remember that. Another thing that you can remember, these formulas are, यहाँ पर जो हमारा cos x होता है, यहाँ पर जो हमारा cot x होता है, और यहाँ पर जो हमारा cosec x होता है, that means all the formulas of trigonometric identity which starts from C, यहाँ पर cos का C, then cot का C and cosec का C, सारे ही फॉर्मूलेज में जो हमारा साइन आता है उनके डेरिवेटिव में वो कैसा होता है, नेगेटिव साइन आता है. दैट इज समथिंग दैट यू कैन रिमेंबर, अ ट्रिक टू रिमेंबर. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द 13th फॉर्मूला, एंड द 13th फॉर्मूला इज फॉर tan inverse x, and this is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. And my 14th formula, which is d over dx of cot inverse x, this is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x square, minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now moving on to my 15th formula, which is derivative of sec inverse x. This is equal to plus 1 upon mod x under root of x square minus 1. Keep a note of this formula, 1 upon mod x under root of x square minus 1. Then my 16th formula, which is d over dx of cosec inverse x. This is equal to, as I told you, just a negative sign, rest the formula remains the same, therefore it is equal to minus 1 upon mod x under root of x square minus 1. Now moving on to my 17th formula. What is my 17th formula? Let me just check over here. My 17th formula, okay, is related to d over dx of log x to the base a. That means instead of base e, this formula has got a base a, and thus this is equal to 1 upon x log a here, 1 upon x log a. Now 18th formula, which is d over dx of log x to the base e. Simply this is equal to 1 upon x. So a difference between these two क्या है कि हमारे पास जो ये वाला फॉर्मूला था, यहाँ पर d over dx of log x to the base e है. जहाँ पर base e आता है वहाँ पर फॉर्मूला will be 1 upon x, and whenever you have d over dx of log x to the base a, that means a base which is different from e. It could be anything, a could be any value. Then this is equal to 1 upon x log a, 1 upon x log a. And my last two formulas, 19th formula, which is the product rule here, d over dx of uv. This is equal to u into dv over dx plus v du over dx. And my 20th formula, which is the division formula or the quotient rule, where you have this as v into du over dx minus u into dv over dx dividing by v square. So these are the set of formulas that I have for differentiation. You can take a screenshot of this, or else you can note them down so that you are very well aware of these formulas, and I want that you all should learn these formulas by heart so that when we are solving questions related to these formulas, you should be having them on tip. And once you have them on tip, I am very well sure that we can crack all the questions related to differentiation. So once you are done with these formulas, we'll move on to the exercises related to them, and we'll solve multiple questions related to differentiation. So you can take the screenshot or you can copy them down. Okay, so I hope that you have copied them down and you have well taken the screenshot, and you will copy them down once this video ends, and you will learn them by heart. So on this very note, we end this video here. This was a short video because I just wanted ki you are very well aware related to the formulas which are there, and once you have done this, then we will move ahead with our videos. Okay, so till then, keep watching our channel. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and definitely come back soon. Happy learning.